Good morning, sir, and all my lovely friends. I hope you're always healthy wherever you are. Even though in this pandemic condition, we must to stay healthy and do the health protocol. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Tamara Melisa Putri Gultom. I'm from class D42B, Department of Nutritionist and Dietetics. The Honorable Mr. Horas is a lecturer of English course in Department of Nutritionist and Dietetics. Okay, in this video, I would like to explain about dietary supplement, and then I will explain about dietary supplement product in my home. But before I continue, I want to explain about the meaning of dietary supplement.
Dietary supplement is a product that is used for nutritional needs of food containing one or more materials in the form vitamins, mineral, amino acids, or other materials from plants or non-plants which have nutritional value and physiological effect in concentrate quantities. Supplement can be solid product including tablets, lozenges, chewable tablets, capsule, soft capsule, and others.
In my home, I have 3 dietary supplements.
First, Vitamin B complex from Kimia Farma. Vitamin B complex is a dietary supplement tablet that is used to meet the needs of vitamin B complex in the body. Vitamin B complex play a role in the metabolism of carbohydrates and protein in the body to produce energy. The content of vitamin B complex are vitamin B1 2 mg, vitamin B2 2 mg, vitamin B6 2 mg, calcium pantothenate 10 mg, nicotinamide 20 mg. Vitamin B complex drinking rules is 3 times a day, 1 tablet each after meals. This is a side effect of this supplement. Next, calcium lactate from Kimia Farma. Calcium lactate is a dietary supplement tablet that have function to prevent and treat low calcium levels in the blood or hypocalcemia. This supplement can be relied on to meet calcium needs during pregnancy, breastfeeding, for adolescents, the elderly, and during illness recovery. Dosage of this supplement for adults 3 times a day, 1 or 2 tablets each. For children, 2 till 3 times a day, 1 tablet each. The side effects of this supplement is Next, Vitacimin from Takeda. Vitacimin is Lozenges supplement that containing ascorbic acid to help meet daily vitamin C needs and help maintain endurance. The containing of Vitacimin is 250 mg vitamin C, 281 mg natrium ascorbate. Dosage of this supplement is 1 or 2 tablets once a day.
I think that's all about my video in this time. I apologize for my mistake and thank you.